and we dreamed so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when you come to the show, it goes on. Alright.
Dollar hot dogs as Paniagua hammers one deep to left field. It's gone, and it's a 5-1 lead here in the bottom of the 8th. Lefty, 3-2, and a swing and a drive the other way in left. Gomez toward the line, can't get it. Down for a hit and back to the wall. Valdez around third, relay to the plate. He slides in. To Green, and he swings and drives one in the air in left center field. It's got a chance. It's gone. Justin Green does it again. Another leadoff home run.
The bottom of the 5th. That one is taken deep to left as well. Have they gone back to back? They sure have. Salvador Paniagua goes deep over the arch nemesis, and the Reds are teeing off.
The 3-1, swinging a rip toward the middle, a base hit. Smith around third. Here's Ford, the throw to the plate. He dives, he's in, and the Revs win it 9-8 on a walk-off single by Eric Patterson in the bottom of the 10th inning. 1-2, swing and a miss. He struck him out. The York Revolution are 2014 First half Freedom Division champions.